Hi kids, it's Mrs. Fravel. How are you? Good, me too. This week's crazy, right? Welcome to the first week of our 2-week online only learning. Um, I hope you guys aren't panicked. You'll be fine, I promise. Just remember to do your best, log in every day, and do what you're supposed to do. We'll be fine. Um, for this week, you guys get it pretty easy. At least this first day. So on Monday or Tuesday, what I would like you guys to do is take your test on oceanography. That's it. Also, make sure that you have gotten all of the work from the oceanography unit submitted. That needs to be turned in this week, okay, with the test. I won't accept anything from this unit after this Friday. So for your test, here's all you need to do. Go to modules. And again, double check that you've done all of the assignments in oceanography. Wow, look how much you guys learned in oceanography. That's pretty awesome. Okay, here's your test right there. Okay, Unit 1 test oceanography. I would prefer if you only use a 3x5 card, please. Okay. The quiz is locked until noon. I'll unlock that. I'll unlock it for tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. So if you want to, get right on it, you can. Do your best. Use a 3x5 card. Please don't cheat because that's not fair. And then, so get that done. And then on Wednesday, during our normal class period, which will be from, what do we go, 1 o'clock to 2:30, it won't be the whole time. But at 1 o'clock, I'm going to hold a live class and we'll check in, see where you guys are. I will have one other task for you to do this week. So tune in Wednesday at 1 o'clock. I will send a message on Canvas and also via Remind with a Google Meet nickname. So we'll meet that way, okay? I do take attendance for that, so make sure that you are there. All of your teachers should be doing this. We're all supposed to check in with you for real life. So how you doing? You guys okay? Okay. That's it. I will talk to you Wednesday. Take the test. If you have any questions, let me know. And please be safe. Please be smart. Please wear your masks, you guys. I know they're not cool, but please wear your masks. If you're hanging out with people who you don't live with, we talked about how masks are important and how they prevent the spread of the virus. And as long as the virus keeps spreading, we don't get to go to school. So please wear your mask, okay? You guys are awesome, and I believe in all of you. You can do fine on the test. You'll be fine. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great week. See you Wednesday in here.